Locate area of installation, either close to the floor or near the ceiling. With a pencil, make a mark on the wall at the top of the cold air return cover. Using a level, mark a straight line for the top of the cover. Place the top of the vent on the traced line and trace the cover onto the wall. Cut the drywall with a jab saw and utility knife and remove the waste. Position the cover's angled slots accordingly to avoid seeing into the opening. Important: holes must be pre-drilled where the screws will be placed so you can countersink the screw. This step is critical to avoid cracking of the vent. Tape and mud the gap on routed edge around the entire vent cover and the drywall. Feather away from the grill, not towards it. If you're concerned with the slots getting drywall compound in them, you can lay painter's tape over the slotted area and then remove it after mudding is complete. Experts highly recommend to use a second coat of mud to ensure a sleek and smooth finish. Remove the dust, prime, and paint to your wall color. Envisivent. Airflow re-envisioned.